Sambar reduce the risk of colon cancer. Cancer is a threat to both developed and developing nations. Colon cancer is the third commonly diagnosed cancer. It is the second leading cause of mortality in the United States. Colon cancer is a complex process, which involves initiation, promotion, progression, and invasive phases from the development of a normal crypt to an adenoma. Cells being the smallest and most basic structural and functional unit of the human body. It undergoes proliferation, differentiation, and several other biological processes to maintain the normal cycle of life. Irregularity in any one step results in unregulated proliferation of cells. Thus, we can say that cancer represents a group of diseases that involves uncontrolled proliferation of cells leading to formation of tumor. An intervention into any one of these phases of colon carcinogenesis can be an effective strategy for its prevention. Colon cancer prevalence is less in India, when compared to United States. Possible reason could be the diet comprising spices used in curry powders. 70% of the cases of colon cancer are associated with diet. Sambar is a very popular South Indian dish that is taken with rice and rice preparations like idlis, dosas, etc. A possible explanation is the vegetarian diet comprising spices used in curry powders. Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, India, investigated the protective actions of sambar and dimethylhydrazine, DMH-induced colon cancer. Indian spices in the sambar powder are coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, turmeric rhizomes, black pepper, curry leaves, cumin seeds, and asafoetida. The United States Food and Drug Administration consider the proportions of spices used in the sambar powder as safe. The intake of the turmeric has been reported to lower the incidence of colon cancer. There are scientific reports stating the beneficial effects of Indian spices in cancer prevention. Previous reports have established that the spices like cumin and black pepper suppress colon carcinogenesis in the presence of the procarcinogen DMH. Black turmeric has been previously investigated for its anti-carcinogenic properties in liver cancer. The incidence of colonic tumor has been seen to reduce to 16.6% on adding fenugreek to the diet. The role of capsicum remains ambiguous for the prevention and treatment of colon cancer, for which detailed studies are required. Considering the anti-cancerous properties of these individual spices, it is concluded that the combined presence of ingredients in sambar exert an overall protective effect against the development of colon cancer when consumed in the diet. Spices have inherited a rich tradition for their flavor and medicinal properties. Researchers have been oriented towards spices present in food items for their antitumorigenic properties. Sambar comprises a variety of spices that exhibited both and antioxidant properties in different tissues, leading to its overall beneficial effect. Thank you.